Hey everybody, so I got a couple of questions on how to convert mass and weight. So I just wanted to go over that really quick. All right, so for number one, how much does a 1 kilogram bag of nails weigh on Earth? So let's go over how to solve this out. So we know that to get weight, we have to multiply mass times the acceleration due to gravity. All right, so written out again, it equals weight equals m times g. All right, so what are we given in this problem? Well, we are given the mass. So mass is equal to 1 kilogram, and we know g, right? Because g is just g, right? So it's 10 meters per second squared. All right, so how do we solve for weight? Well, right now it's a question mark, so let's solve it out. So weight, plugging this in, is 1 kilogram times g. So we get the weight of this 1 kilogram bag of nails is equal to 10 newtons. Okay, and that's all because, when you take your mass, which is in kilograms, and your acceleration, which is in meters per second squared, you get kilogram meters per second squared, which is newtons. All right, so to find the weight of a 1 kilogram bag of nails on Earth, you would take W equals mg, and you get W equals 10 newtons there. All right, let's move on to another example. So Felicia, the ballet dancer, has a mass of 45 kilograms. What is Felicia's weight in newtons at Earth's surface? So, what are we given in this problem? Well, we are given the mass again. So the mass is 45 kilograms. And what is Felicia's weight in newtons on the Earth's surface? Well, we know that W is equal to mg, where m is the mass and g is the acceleration due to gravity. So we need to write out g again, which is 10 meters per second squared. And to solve for weight right now, it's a question mark. So all we have to do is plug in our information. So W is equal to your mass, which is 45 kilograms, times 10 meters per second squared. So you get W is equal to 450 newtons. Again, because you take kilograms and you multiply it by meters per second squared, you get kilogram meters per second squared, which is just a newton. All right. Let's move on to the next question there. So given that 1 kilogram of mass is equal to 2.2 pounds on Earth's surface, what is Felicia's weight in pounds? So now instead of solving for weight in newtons, we now have to solve for it in pounds. So we know this conversion right here, 1 kilogram of mass is equal to 2.2 pounds. So let's just write that out. 1 kg is equal to 2.2 pounds. So we know that Felicia's mass was 45 kilograms. So what was it in pounds? Well, it's a question mark to us. So in order to solve for pounds, we would take 45 times 2.2, and we would get 99 pounds. All right, keep working hard on these. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you all soon.